So in this video, let's look at what you can achieve on this diet, because there's so much you can achieve with swapping from a standard Western diet of sludge and yellow cooked foods, fried foods, nutrient devoid foods, and switching to a plant-based, colourful, alkaline, nutrient rich, energy giving, life inducing alkaline diet and foods. So yeah, you're going to look like this lady by the time you finish this diet. Well, maybe not, but you know, we'll be moving in that direction, hopefully. So quite simply, on this diet, it's an absolute possibility that you can be slim, in the best shape of your life. Why not, when you're eating an abundance of amazing, life-giving, healthy, satisfying foods that are filling you up and reducing your cravings? Why can't you be slim? Well, you can. Absolutely you can. I've seen many people lose pounds and pounds and pounds, 45 pounds, 2 pounds, 5 pounds, 100 pounds on a diet like this. A lot of my clients who I work with, I can think of Anna in Switzerland in the last year, has lost 45 pounds on this way of eating. And she looks absolutely fantastic. She says she's never felt better and she loves the way she eats. Myself, I mean, I've lost 20 pounds over the years since I was about 21. I'm now 36 almost. And I'm about, yeah, did I say 20 or 10? Can't remember. I'm 10 pounds anyway. Well, hold on. No. Since then, it is 20 pounds because I'm under 9 stone now and I was 10.5 then. So whatever that is in a stone and a half, it's got to be 20 pounds, isn't it? Yeah, it's 20 pounds. So yeah, anyway, moving on. You can be noticeably healthier. So have brighter eyes, shinier hair, stronger nails, you know, all these little mini indicators of vitality and health that just gives away the secret that you are a healthy person and it looks that way. You can be more beautiful naturally. So without having things like Botox or liposuction or, you know, facials or dyeing your hair or doing these little procedures, you're doing a beautifying procedure from the inside by cleansing your body and organs. And yeah, you're going to become more beautiful in a natural way. You can be a powerhouse of energy. So, you know, for whatever you want to use that energy for. And it doesn't mean to say that you're going to be explosive all the time. No, a powerhouse of energy, I mean that you're going to have enough energy to see you through the day. So it may not be this massive spike of energy, although it can be. No, the goal is to have sustained high energy throughout the day to do the things you need and want to do. So managing your family life and kids, you know, if you've got 3 kids or more, or 1 kid or 2 kids, you need energy to engage with them and to make the best of your family life. For work, business, exercise, what you'll find if you weren't keen on exercising before, when you switch to this way of eating, you're going to have more energy and you'll find you want to move your body and exercise. You can be more youthful looking, so with less fine lines on your face and hands and your body, your skin's just going to look nicer. Wrinkles can actually reduce. I've seen it on my own face. I'm less wrinkly now than probably 10 years ago. And grey hair, believe it or not, grey hair can revert back to its original colour. I'm 36. I've got naturally kind of blondie browny hair, no grey hairs. And I've seen people who, especially with you drinking the wheatgrass blood cleanser every day, have seen their hair go from grey back to brown or blonde or whatever colour it was before, which is quite phenomenal, really. Mentally sharper and high performing, so your memory is going to improve. Eating nutrient-rich foods, lots of fruits, lots of antioxidants, lots of chemicals that you need to improve your memory and get those neurons firing in your brain really optimally, then yeah, it's going to make you mentally sharper and performing at your best. Whether that's, you know, again, at work, with kids, or exercise. You can be happy and at peace with your body and your life. Eating this way induces a kind of calm inner confidence in yourself, and not just, and I don't mean, how can I say it? Not necessarily confidence in yourself, confidence that you can handle life no matter what happens, just a kind of, this confidence in, I guess, in yourself, in your body, that it can get you out of situations if you need to get out of situations. It can help you in situations. I don't know if I'm explaining this very well, but basically happiness, peace, calm, confidence, and the ability to handle life is what you're going to get from eating this way. And you can even be, you may not think it, if you've been in a lot of pain or in a lot of disease for many years, the thought of being pain-free might just sound pie in the sky. But again, I've worked with so many people who have literally become pain-free and even in some circumstances disease-free. And I'm talking not just kind of little things here and there, but big diseases, heart disease, cancer, diabetes, people off of their diabetes drugs, people off of their cancer treatment and in good health. So, those are the things which are absolutely possible. You can have these things if you commit yourself. I'm not saying you will have every single one of these. I'm not saying that at all. And again, I would urge you to go back to the medical disclaimer if you haven't seen it and consult your doctor as well. But improving your way of eating can achieve these things for your life. The question is, really, do you want this? That's what it comes down to. Are you ready and willing to make the commitment to change, or are you going to find excuses why I was going to have a salad sandwich, I was going to have the cumin bulgur wheat wrap, cabbage wrap, I was going to have a chocolate avocado pudding, but I had a chocolate donut instead. I was going to have the cumin curry, but I ended up having a takeaway Indian curry with lamb instead. I was going to have a big salad, but I ended up having a big chicken fajita instead. Do you want this? Are you ready and willing to commit to it? And I would say that if you do, then you're gonna get these rewards and these benefits. So I would encourage you absolutely to commit to this.